Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. Today I'm going to be reviewing Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty, the Confident Energy Palette. It has 6 eyeshadow shades and we're going to swatch them. I'm going to show you some eye looks that I created at the end of them. So let's just jump right into what the palette is all about. If you haven't already heard of Rare Beauty, or you simply don't know much about the brand, I will leave a link in the description box down below to a foundation and concealer review video that I recently posted, and I give you a full overview of the brand and talk about some of their fantastic products. Like I said, today we are going to be focusing on the Rare Beauty Confident Energy Palette. This retails for $25. I believe that this is limited edition because it is part of their holiday collection. If we can talk about the packaging for just a second. How absolutely beautiful is this little compact? I love that the foiled kind of background is a distance away from the Rare Beauty logo. There is some transparency plastic over the top of it. It's beautiful. And then on the back of it, it's a very gold shiny shade with the shade names on it. Oh, there we go. I was struggling to open that just a little bit. Okay, these are the shades, and there's a beautiful large mirror in the palette too. I'm really digging that blue and green shade. So let's have a look at the shade names. The shade names are Boost, Willpower, Gutsy, Strong, Elevate, and Trust. I really love the colour scheme of this palette. I love that they are metallics and not mattes because I am inundated with mattes. I love a good metallic palette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch all the way from Boost here to Trust on my arm just to see how they swatch, see how the shimmers shine. I'm really hopeful because they look damn good at shining in the palette. I don't know how much of that you can see. Guess you can see a little bit on that metallic brown shade there. These colours are gorgeous. I really love the colour scheme, and I love that I now have a metallic green and blue. That pink shade is really beautiful too, and then these neutrals here, I think you could make a bomb shimmery smoky eye, so we'll have a little play with those colours at the end, I think. So let's just go ahead and start swatching. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Oh, they're so smooth. Oh, it's so smooth and shimmery. Oh, that blue shade though. These are really bold, beautiful colors. That metallic brown is beautiful as well. The thing is, these don't look crumbly like cheap eyeshadow. You can tell that the work has been put in on these because they're not crumbling. That gold is beautiful. They're very consistent, like the color swatches are staying strong. Oh, that's a beautiful holographic white shade. Okay, I don't know how much you can see that one because I am just so pale. And then into this pink shade. Oh, that's cute. I don't think I've ever had a colour that's a peachy shimmer before. Oh, yes. I am here for those colours. Look at how beautiful that shade is. I mean, look at how beautiful all of them are. Rare Beauty really has pulled all the stops out with these colours and just their whole collection that I've tested so far. I'm just gonna skip ahead and try and do a little bit of a cheeky smoky eye with some of these colours. I'll fast forward the content so that I don't bore you to death with what I'm doing, and then I'll be back at the end with my eye look. So I'm back. I have done a very rushed but quite bold smoky eye-esque look. I have used the shades Boost, Gutsy and Elevate. Here, Elevate, I've just put a little bit in the corner as like a highlight and on the top of the brow bone. Gutsy I have used for the outer corner of the smoky eye, and Boost I have used to really create that green pop of colour to highlight my green eyes. This palette blends really well. I didn't really have to work that hard to get the products to blend, to get the products to work on my eyelids. I think this is a very gutsy look. I am not sure if I would wear this as an everyday look. This is using some of the Fix spray and then a tapered brush, the A12 from Spectrum. I used just to really brighten those green tones, and then with the brown I kind of just left it as is in the palette with the brush. I really love this eyeshadow palette. If you can get hold of it, it is limited edition. I definitely recommend trying to find the Confident Energy palette. I would love to try the purples and pinks in the other limited edition palette, but I haven't been able to get my hands on it. So with that said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like the video, please leave a like down below, and if you want to hear more from me, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!